Hi, Nick Miller, Clarity Advantage. Welcome back. Focused on engineering and engineering consulting firms. All kinds of them, from bridge design to environmental to wind energy. Yeah. So why should we pay attention to them? Well, from the sales side, they need a lot of stuff. They have cash flow issues between billings. They buy or lease stuff like hardware and software. They manage collection and payment transactions. They have big liability issues, insurance. They need to attract and retain talent, benefits. And then there's personal financial services for the principals and employees. So, asymptotically, very attractive. From the credit side, they are also very attractive. The underwriters feel good because they have a lot of collateral to wrap their arms around. Buildings, equipment, and other assets. They have a good track record of accounts receivable. We can usually see the firms they do business with. So how do we meet them? Well, that's a good question, but here are some ideas. Check branch customer lists, first thing. Then community contacts and friends, great. When I coached soccer, a lot of my team's parents were engineers. Bank customers who may use engineering services, sure. Ask who they work with. Insurance agents or local CPAs and attorneys, perfect. Once we meet them, lose the suit, loosen the tie, and get dirty. Take a tour. And as we're walking around on the tour, we can ask, what sorts of projects do you work on? What does that machine over there do? Can you show me how that works? And how much does one of those babies cost? How do you see your business changing as the economy expands? Will you get more of those? So eventually, we can get to cash flow issues, like how do you handle cash flow between progress payments? That's a real problem for them. Or how do you collect payments? Or how often do you upgrade software to remain competitive? What sorts of benefits do you offer? And how do you finance all of that? So, lots of reasons to talk to engineering firms. We've just scratched the surface. Check out Vertical IQ or other sources for more perspective and questions, and then bridge your way to the engineers.